This isn't the update for the seatbelt retractor for the rear seat on the Cl500. It did not. I had no luck opening this retractor mechanism. So I just put it back and I put it back, and I'm gonna install it on the vehicle, but without the mechanism functioning. So I took it off and I bought a resistor. The resistor right here, 2.7 ohms of resistance that I purchased, and I install and I'll show the rest of the video right now when I go into the car to install these back in there. But yeah, so the vehicle does have it retracts, but it doesn't. The device won't explode if there's an impact or in something in that situation, which older vehicles don't have these type of mechanisms. So I will take the risk on putting this back without the exploding mechanism. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend anybody to do this, but I'd rather save myself a few $100s than to replace these items or try to get them fixed by a company. The retractor work. I mean, the seatbelt functions correctly as it should normally without without this device on it. So I'm just gonna go with that and install these right now into the vehicle, and I'm gonna make a video of me installing this again and then putting back everything into place. So the process for me to put back the seatbelt, I'm gonna have to remove take off this bolt right here, this one and this one, and then I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm gonna just put that in there and start bolting it up, and then we'll go from there. Oh, okay, so what I did was over here, where is it? It's right here, look. So I put a resistor inside, one of the resistors. I just put it in the hole, put it in here, and then in here, and then put it in there, and then bent it, and then close this, and then the sensor turned off. So now it's now I have no sensors on, except the one on what's it called? The steering wheel airbag. So. Screw. These are 10 millimeter screws. I need to take the other one out. Third one. Now I'm gonna take it off and put it to the side here. Okay. Now I need to push this back out. There's a little good. Okay, so now I don't have the clip on here, so I already took it off since I haven't done it. So now you have to take off the clip when you take off the seatbelt. I don't have it on, so because I'm putting it back on, so I just push this, and there's a clear space right there where I can put it and put it back. I'm gonna make sure I have the bolts. So there's one bolt there. And, let me see which one I need. I think they're all the same. I think they're all the same. Okay. I think that goes there. I think that one. So the bolt that goes on there, the nut, it's a T45. T45 that goes on the seatbelt retractor. And I need to find the right. Yeah, being in this position for a little long start getting real fatigued. Ugh. Okay. So this, I put a 10mm with the T45 option, and I put something inside there like a little leaf, and not so it won't get fall out and just go inside that hole. So that's what I did. Wrong side. This right side. This is the left side. Let me put this one. Fucking A. Yeah, because that shit is not going in. See it or not. Okay, now it's in. Now I'm gonna put that bolt in there on the bottom side. came out. Put that there. I will just put it tight. Get done with it. It's in. That's tight. Okay, now, let's see. Crazy. Oh my god, that fucking hurts. Okay, I think it's the white one. Okay, come on, you're gonna be in there closer, 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 closer. Oh, you're in there. Oh, fuck it. Here. But in order for me to move this, pull this back. Now I have space for me to torque this back in there. size is different size 5. So I'm halfway done now. The hardest part is what's the hardest part? The hardest part is taking off all this stuff. A lot of stuff. It's tight, and we can make sure it's tight in there. There we go. That's good. That's snugged in there. Now it is time to put everything back slowly but surely. There, that's in. That's it in. Now I'm gonna put this thing in there. Make sure to protect this little piece of shit. Put it in right there. Should not move nowhere. Right there. Put this back. So first things first, start putting I'll put this one first in here. So everything is clear now. Okay. Just this one that goes in the back. Oh, yeah. No. No, there's something that goes. You can't see it. Too lazy to turn your fucking head. Oh, there we go. This goes in here, and then you put the little black retainer clip. Press it in there hard, and now it's in there. And now that's tight in there. Now I'm gonna put this back in here. make sure you remember exactly where you leave your bolts. Remember a lot of things, you know. It's everywhere. Sometimes it's hard to get in these places, so it's better to hand tighten these little screws before you use your ratchet. Or you don't have to do it super tight. Don't overdo it. Okay, it's in there. Now, put this one in here. Since right now it's super accessible, it's better to put it in now than later. Okay, let's see what I'm putting in here. Oh, shit. So now, I'm putting this one in here. So is it? Where are you? Right here. It's this bolt. Put in here. Clip it on now. And I'm gonna tighten it and until it's snug. That's in there good. Okay. Good. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay, that's that one. I'm gonna put this one. Where is it? Shit, where are you? 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 Man. Sometimes I forget where I leave my ratchet. Oh, it's right there. This fucking thing. I tend to lose shit all the time. That was good. Okay, that's in. Now, I'm just gonna finish putting these. Okay, first I'm gonna. Okay, let's see how it works. I'm just just extend this and clip it onto the opposite side. If that works, yeah, it works. So I'm gonna have it clip like that, and then I'm gonna put this cover. Put this cover on now, and I'm trying to remember if I need to put anything else back before I do that. Yeah, I think that's it for now. This, I need to put this bolt in here. But first, before I put this bolt in, I have to put the cover here. Because once I put that bolt in, I won't be able to move this around. So yeah, I'm gonna do the cover now. You motherfucker. Okay. Stretch your body for a little bit. Hurts. That's what I mean. You gotta make sure all your stuff is on my end. Put this fucking. Okay, so the biggest issue for doing this thing is you gotta make sure you put those bracket bolts. There's 2 bolts behind here. It didn't. You see it? I'll show you in the next video. I mean the next one. But what you do is you put your hand under here and then you push it in. In, they're both in. We on and cooking. We need to put this window up, but not working. Once that bracket is in the back, those 2 bolts, then you're able to squeeze this back in perfectly without no issues. See right here. The bolt lines up where? No, yeah, is it lined up already? Yeah, it's lined up. There's a bolt that goes here. It's lined up, so I'm good right there. Goes inside or the outside, but yeah, it goes inside. Okay, so that's the meat of the battle, the majority of the battle, and yeah, that goes in there. So right here, you put this little sponge in here, like that. But, yeah, like that. Something like that. But, first I'm gonna make sure I put this in correctly. So there's like a little process to this. So yeah, there's like a process where it goes to the bottom, it goes over the top here, here it goes in here, and then to the bottom it goes under here. Yeah, so there's multiple. It's not in yet. So once you get it in, it has to completely be perfectly aligned. And then this goes under here. You flap it over, and then you flap it under here, and then you put it, and then you put the bolts on. So I forgot one major thing. I forgot to put this back in here. Motherfucker. I've got to put this back in here. So now I'm gonna have to fix that. So I'm gonna have to unscrew the bolt and then put this inside thing, but I'm not sure which one it goes to. Let me see this one. Oh, so it's this way. Left. So it's like that. Yeah, so it's like that. So it goes to this side. Yeah, yes, this one. Oh, keep doing, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now, fucking. Instead of making my life easy and making my life hard. Hard it is, hard it is. Oh, let's get that video. No. hard. So right now I have the seatbelt connected. Don't forget to put back this this cover before you install that down there. I made a mistake, so I had to redo it. So I have almost everything done. So I'm just gonna put the kick plate right now, and then I'm gonna put this part and then put that bolt there. So this bolt, and then put this back, and then that. And then after I'll do that, and then that'll pretty much be it for this side. And then I'm gonna do exactly the same thing on the other side, but I won't make the video. Okay, so on this one, whenever you remove this this connection right here, so this never yank it out. It always goes, just stays and sits in there. So whenever you, so it just sits in there. Whenever you want to remove it, you just go like that, and then you give it some space, and then you take off the screw. You don't yank it off. It doesn't come off. It's not supposed to come off. So because I broke this side, the other side didn't, but this side I did. So then you put the bolts in here. As if I installed it right. I don't know. Okay, well that went in. We really don't know exactly. I didn't even check where these bolts go, but they went in, so that's a plus. I think this one going in too. Start getting. that one went in too. So still look good. Not super tight. You don't want to fucking thread them out. And then this one just goes in there. Okay, so it sits in here, goes in there, it sits in there, and then this one just goes in here. No pressure. Pressure or no pressure? Oh, no pressure. Oops. Yeah, what pressure? So now it's inside. And then there's one screw that I have somewhere here. Right here. And then with the T15, you bolt that bitch on there. There you go. That one's hard in there, so I'm gonna screw it in. Well, it's not super hard, probably like 10 pounds, 12 pounds. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna overdo it. And then we're gonna just, there we go. And now it's in. That's in. Done. Now I gotta do the top. Top right there. Top at the top at the top at the top. That's it. Just gotta fucking remove this fucking fuck you. I don't care if it touches the black leather, because I can clean it off later. But the white here, it fucking touches the white, and then I rub it on there. I'm just painting the pretty much the. Fuck, this shit is stupid, yo. Fuck, whoever decided on painting. Oh my god. Whoever was the idiot that decided on spraying red fucking glue on this fucking thing. Fucking idiot. Dude, this car gets dirty. God damn it. Gotta be very careful with this fucking. I gotta wash my hands after I keep on. Fuck. Okay, so this side is done. I'm done with this side. Hallelujah.